Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to go over the shopping cart trick credit cards because I'm getting a lot of questions. It's holiday shopping right now, you guys. So I want to go over these credit cards with you so you guys can understand which stores you can actually go to. And a few things that people ask me a lot of questions about. So remember you guys, the shopping cart trick is where you can get credit cards without people checking your credit scores and without them actually giving you that hard inquiry. So no matter what your credit score is, you should be able to get approved for the credit card if you get the pop-up. And I'm going to pop the pop-up on the screen now so you guys can see it. But this is what the pop-up will look like. So if you get a pop-up like this basically means that you can possibly get the credit card. Just fill in the information. Now, let's go into what you have to do to get these credit cards. So to do the shopping cart trick, you guys, you have to go to these different websites. So look right here. We're on Victoria's Secret website, right? So you can go to the Victoria's Secret website. You want to put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. So as you can see here, I already have some items in the cart. I have 5 items here. I just want to make sure that my total is between $200 and $250. So right here, my total is $247.50. But you want to go to multiple companies too. Depending on which card you want to get, you'll do the same thing. So $200, $250. So all you have to do is just check out as a guest, and you want to put all your personal information in, you guys, in terms of your first and last name, your address, city, state, and zip code. You want to put your phone number in, and you want to put your email address in. After you put all that information in, go ahead and click continue to delivery, and you're going to get a pop-up just like this saying congratulations, you're pre-approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. Now listen, you guys, it's more credit cards than just Victoria's Secrets. You got Overstock. You can go to Overstock. I've seen some clients get like $4,000 with Overstock, you guys. So you can come over to this website and you guys will get an additional discount. So like with Victoria's Secret, they tell you, hey, you can get $20 when you sign up or 30% off. But each store had their own thing. So I see a lot of people get like with Overstock $2,000, $4,000. The Camping World, this is the one where you can actually get a Visa credit card. So I made a video recently about this credit card. I'm going to make sure I link it at the top. You guys are going to see the pop-up. But with this store right here, you guys, my client was able to get a $3,000 Visa credit card. So remember, Visa, you can use it anywhere. So whatever you want to do with it, if you want to do some home repairs or whatever you want to do, you can use it. But all you have to do is click shop now and put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart and you'll be good. Now, don't forget, you have the Victoria's Secrets. That's this website here. You have the Overstock that you can do. You have the Camping World, which is here. Now, you also have another company called Venus. So you can use Venus too. All you have to do is put the $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart and just go ahead and just click continue to check out, put your information in, and you should get a pop-up saying congratulations, you're pre-approved. Now the last company I want to tell you guys about is the Lane Bryant credit card. This is for like the plus size women because they have a lot of fashions for those women. But if you're looking to build your credit, any of these credit cards will do. Just make sure that you do not spend more than 5% on any credit card you get. So if they give you a $300 limit, do not spend more than $15. If they give you a $200 limit, do not spend more than $10 or it's going to really drop your credit score. So if you have more questions about that, you guys, I want to make sure I go live. And if you're watching this, today is the 22nd of December. I'm going to make sure I go live on Sunday. And I may go live tomorrow too. It just really depends, you guys. But I will show you all these credit cards again. Now, if you're looking to get credit cards because you're trying to do holiday shopping, I have 2 bonus accounts I want to tell you guys about. One of the accounts is called the Quad Pay, and I don't want to call it a credit card because with the Quad Pay, they give you 6 weeks to pay off whatever you buy. So you'll have 4 payments, interest-free payments for 6 weeks. So when I did the Quad Pay, I bought something for $25. I think I have to pay like $8 or I have to pay 25% of that $25. So I'm not sure exactly how much that was. It was about, in my fact, it was about $6 I had to pay, but every 2 weeks I had to pay $6 more until I pay off the full $25 basically. But that's with Quad Pay. But my internet is not the best, you guys. As you can see, it don't want to come up, but I'm going to make sure I link it down below. And I did make oh, here we go, right here. It's popped up. I did make a video on this though, you guys, but I just want to show you guys this as a bonus. And look, there's no credit impact when you actually do this. So definitely, guys, check this out. I got approved for $600 with this. I don't think that they even really check your credit. Or even, I think they approved everybody for about $600 or, you know what? Let me say this. My cousin said that she got approved for $300, but she bought something and paid it off right away, and they increase their limit to $850. So just go ahead and check this out, you guys, if you're interested in the Quad Pay. And then another one is the account that you can get. Now, this can be an actual Visa card that you can get approved for. When I did this card, I only got approved for $200. They don't really give high limits. They're like little store. It's like a little store company. It's like a store account basically. But you go ahead, you do the 4 interest-free payments again, and this is the account where I bought something for $25, and I just paid it off right away. But you can use it at GameStop, which is really good. Now, I had that $200 limit, but they ended up increasing it to $400 because I actually paid it off. So remember, when you get these accounts, just pay it off on time, and they're going to increase your limit. But these are good if you're thinking about holiday shopping, and these are too because they'll give you a code that you can actually purchase something right now in the store. But if you guys have any questions, definitely go ahead and let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure I answer them for you. And I will talk to you guys later. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I go live. Bye bye.